How's it going, guys? Roger with Aaron Plumbing today. So the ladies here at the office are complaining that the water's not going down in the kitchen. So we're gonna go and figure out what we can do. Okay, so we're gonna try to get this drain cleared with some of the ways I've seen homeowners do it from my experience. And then after that, we're gonna get it done how Aaron Plumbing will get it done. So let's do it. Nice to see you again, Miss Adley. So what do we got going on?
I got a problem with my kitchen sink.
All right, let's go figure it out.
Okay, come on. It's
Don't worry about it. That's why Aaron Plumbing will take care of it.
It's really nasty.
Let's see.
Put all this junk in it and it don't work.
Oh no.
Google Clean.
Yeah.
YouTube, TikTok, doesn't work.
Didn't work?
Nope.
Baking soda didn't work? Vinegar
No,
didn't work?
vinegar didn't work. Bleach didn't
This
work.
didn't work.
Let's try what TikTok says. Gross.
So you see that didn't work. Looks like the drain is still clogged.
Didn't do nothing.
Yeah, I've seen this many times and it never works.
Bleach don't do nothing. It's a waste of bleach.
Yeah, you just wasted a bottle of bleach. So we're here to do it the right way. Get it all flowing for you, so you won't have to worry about this again.
So you don't recommend that I put this in there?
Definitely, I would not recommend it. If anything, this would probably make the drain even worse. Ew. All right, no problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take apart the drain down there,
Okay.
and I'll see if it's something clogged in the P-trap. And then if it is in the P-trap, we'll clear it out. All right, let's see what we got here. I hope this bucket's big enough to catch some of this fuck.
Oh.
It's all right, guys. This
We'll
happens.
clean it up.
Oh my God! Look at all that.
gross.
You see all that junk?
What is that?
Looks like hair. Some food is in there.
That
So,
is
yeah.
gross.
All right, so we got everything out of the drain. Now we're gonna take this drain apart over here, and we're gonna run a machine through it. All right.
Oh.
All right. Clean the P-trap. Force it in there. All right, that's good enough. Ew. Cracking under pressure, guys. Just kidding. Ten P-traps on your nuts together. Oh. Hey, looks good.
Okay, so today was a success clearing our kitchen drain. We had Roger come in and show us what not to do and how to do it properly. We had a bunch of gunk in our kitchen sink here at work. He cleared it for us, and always recommend not doing what TikTok or YouTube or Google says. Aaron Plumbing today is running a $59 drain clearing special. Give us a call. We will send someone wonderful out to clear your drain so you don't have to worry about it.
Call 210-519-5959 or visit aaronplumbingtoday.com.